So, this is my question that I've done for my assessment of the topic of hyperbolic paraboloid, and I've chosen a top hat to be specific on what we're going to be studying. So this is the question that I've given them, and it's going to be 3 parts, A, B and C. The first is going to be getting an end view, second is going to be getting a cut through the plane, the cutting plane FF, and then the last one is going to be, there's another smaller upside down hyperbolic paraboloid in the top of this hat, and they're going to have to make another and then update both views of what it's going to look like. So I've also incorporated numeracy skills by including 2 measurements at a scale where 1 is to 10, so the students will have to scale down the size of the hat to comprehend what's going on. So like I said, in the first section I got them to do an end view. So the point you divide up your generators through the ellipse in plan and bring your points up to elevation. You also bring them up to the XY line at 45 degrees and get their points to that meet in elevation and plan, and find the points of contact in between both, and they're able to get the outline of the front of the hat. But this isn't all. You need to update this later in the question when you find out the cutting plane, the exact points through which the hyperbolic paraboloid cuts the plane. So I thought it was easier for the students to comprehend by using a hat, something they'd seen all the time. Evan, give us your hat there please. Most hats incorporate a hyperbolic paraboloid into them, so it is something that they've seen before and able to comprehend. There you go, thank you Evan. So like I would explain to them, a hyperbolic paraboloid is made up of generators going across from point A to point B. But also in this question, since it's a college based question, I wanted to put a cutting plane, something else extra into it. So as you can see, there is an elliptical cut into this cutting plane to simulate the rim of the hat where it meets with the hyperbolic paraboloid, and I get them to get these points of contact in between the 2 shapes. So I get to do that by incorporating the rim of the hat. And then finally, since like I said it was going to be a college based question, I wanted to include another upside down hyperbolic paraboloid on the top rim of the hat, and I'd use that as per question C, but that'd only be for 5 marks. So Evan, is there any questions that you would have for this?
How would you show kind of like the value of studying this topic? Like, is there anything to it rather than just shapes, or? No,
like it was the inclusion of an actual object that they've seen and being able to link it back to something in their previous knowledge, so to be able to visualise the actual object a lot easier.
Oh, okay.
So like that visualisation would aid them in future.
Yeah, good stuff.